Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we will be taking a look at some of the top 5 best FINMA regulated brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The FINMA is Switzerland's independent financial markets regulator. Its mandate is to supervise banks, insurance companies, financial institutions, collective investment schemes, and their asset managers, as well as fund management companies. The FINMA is responsible for ensuring that Switzerland's financial markets function effectively. In this list, we will be going through some of the top 5 best FINMA regulated brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is Vantage FX. Vantage FX is a transparent and secure broker regulated with the ASIC and FINMA. With Vantage FX, traders receive constant support through TeamViewer, fast and easy account opening, access to a range of features such as the Chart IQ platform, ZuluTrade for social trading, and more. Vantage FX specializes and provides services in trading through Forex, Indices, energies, soft commodities, precious metals, and share CFDs. Available platforms are supported on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, ZuluTrade, as well as the Vantage FX mobile application, which are supported on Android, iOS, and Windows operating systems. Accounts are provided on standard STP, RAW, and Pro ECN accounts with up to 44 tradable currency pairs, lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. An unlimited demo account is also available, allowing you to practice trading for as long as you need. Vantage FX also provides their very own educational panels, which delves into a variety of educational topics such as an overview of Forex trading, beginner's guides, manuals and video tutorials in MetaTrader functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your education with Vantage FX. Coming in at number 4 is Forex.com. Forex.com is a one-stop shop for Forex traders, providing a range of tradable currencies, low account minimums, and an impressive trading platform. Forex.com offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as Forex.com's advanced trading platform for web, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on standard, commission, and direct market access accounts with lower Forex fees, access to their web and mobile platforms, a variety of tradable currencies, an active trader program, and more. Forex.com also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a wide variety of educational themes, such as risk management, technical and fundamental analysis, a beginner's trading guide that features educational videos, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Forex.com. At number 3 is Hot Forex. Hot Forex is the brand name of HF Markets Limited, and in addition to providing world-class trading solutions, is strictly regulated with a great emphasis placed on ensuring the safety and security of clients' funds in the best ways possible. Regulated and authorized with the FCA, FINMA, DFSA, and the FSCA, Hot Forex specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, and HF copy accounts with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, a large number of simultaneous open orders, 24 hours, 6 days a week customer support, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational learning center, which covers in-depth Forex trading educational videos, beginner courses, tutorials and platform functionality, a featured trading podcast, as well as a number of live webinars, which you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your education with Hot Forex. At number 2 is Plus 500. Plus 500 is a popular online trading broker, which has been in operation since 2008 and has multiple regulations in various jurisdictions, while offering sophisticated online trading services to an array of traders from multiple countries around the world. With Plus 500, traders have access to over 2,000 financial instruments, including Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Plus 500 features an advanced, user-friendly, and reliable trading platform, using the competitive trading conditions offered, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus 500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to cater to various levels of trading, for beginners and professionals alike, regardless of their trading needs, objectives, or trading experience, and ensures that traders have a dynamic and secure trading environment. Plus 500 also provides their very own educational panels, which delves into various beginner trading topics, an economic calendar, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide, which includes popular trading strategies and videos if you are looking for any additional education with Plus 500. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best FINMA regulated brokers is Alpari International. Alpari International is the business name of Xfinity Limited and is regulated and licensed by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius. Alpari International specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Forex Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts, with up to 4 tradable base currency options, lower spreads, floating and fixed leverage, a variety of tradable market instruments, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, such as guides in commodity and precious metal trading, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education with Alpari. And those are some of the top 5 best FINMA regulated brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and to leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.